Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So as our candlesticks pattern, so that we are using the charting screener to find out the candlesticks which is forms for a intraday, even hourly, even daily basis. We are focusing for our intraday trade and positional trade opportunity. So today what we have seen in our live session, so some stocks we are selecting for a intraday as well as positional. That is how it is going to work for the today's conditions that I'm going to discuss here right now. The first one, where we have find out the such a great opportunity in Bank Nifty that was giving you some 200-point profit. Again the Arami candle which gives you slight movement over the entry point, and again it triggers our stop loss, and then again it comes to the entry point. So this one we got our entry that gives you that much of 200-point plus, and here we are taking a 200-point risk, so that was gone. And Bank Nifty, so looks like two trades, one is failure and another one was success, like that happening in Bank Nifty. And another stock for intraday we have selected, that was one somewhere, another stock which we have selected is Hindustan Unilever. So same one which you are selecting for a intraday, and where we get a somewhere around 13 point stop loss for the trade, where initially the sell triggers our stop loss, but buy was working from 250 to 2550. It went up to 2630 near, so almost somewhere from 50 to 200 and 2630, almost 80 point it moves, or a big result it gives. And Axis Bank, sorry, that was intraday entry, and we have taken another one, that stock we forgot it, Chola Finance Container Corporation. So that is also we are focusing 3 rupees stop loss, where it is generated buy signal and again it fails, and this time the selling trade but giving you profit. And what are the other stocks which we are focusing? Another one stock, I think, so we will check that the stock that was moving very big in a downside, that intraday we are taken for that, so that was giving you such a nice result in intraday. That stock, the stock it is Granules. Yeah, Granules, that was a great trade where we are present by today. So initial trade was 3 rupees failure, and the next one gives you more than or even it was end of the day nearby 322 from 340, almost 18 points movement in a downside in intraday. So these are the stocks we selected in intraday. And another stock, one is Axis Bank, we are selecting for hourly time frame, so that was triggering around 641, and it moves towards the 730, sorry, 741, it moves towards the 736, and this is a positional, and now it is moving good. And another stock, Cummins India, we are selecting for a positional, on hourly basis we got somewhere around 15 point stop loss. For that 15 point stop loss, it was fall down towards 986, almost 25 points it giving you. So these two stocks, Axis Bank and Cummins India, we are focusing for a hourly time frame, that is giving you. And the stock which we have taken a daily basis, that is HCL Technologies, that was giving you the entry at 1134, and it closed by 1117, somewhere around 16-17 point in profit. And another one which you are selecting for the daily basis, that is means India, where we got an entry opportunity at this point of 1010. And sorry, this is by hourly chart, Cummins India hourly chart. So another stock, Siemens, we are selecting for a hourly basis. On daily basis, Siemens we are selecting, and it was same on the entry price. So such a good result today in intraday. So hope the candlesticks may give you such a great return. Okay, so let's move towards the another interesting candlesticks pattern, that is spinning top. Okay, so the spinning top, so the body is small and the wick is 2 times or 3 times more than the body, both the sides. Okay, so that is a candlesticks pattern where it forms the body of the candle is very narrow or very small, but the wick of the candle is very high compared to 2 to 3 times of the body, both the sides. It is equal to both the sides, right? So plus 2 times of the body and minus 2 times of the body. So this is like a spinning top. So but here it mentioned bullish spinning top or bearish spinning top. That is not a matter. So whenever the spinning top candle which forms at the day high or the day low, so there is a more probability to make such a money. So swing high or swing low, if the candlestick which forms, so you got such a great opportunity on that candlesticks pattern. So let's go for that scanner. I have already made that scanner on a charting. Let's open that scanner. uh, that is what spinning top, right? So let's go for a spinning top. So here it mentioned about the colors of the candle. The colors of the candle is not important, so the body of the candle is very important, right? So let's see that spinning top. Let's go for that. We'll take the spinning top at daily. Okay, let's go for a spinning top, daily spinning top. Let's open that one. Yes. So here with the volume itself we are making, and the number of stock, the value of the stock is more than 20, and we are taking out for the wick both the sides, it is near about 3 times. Okay, that is the conditions we are going to focus. This one we are focusing for the candlestick which is a spinning top. Let's go for a check today. This much of stocks which forms a spinning top candle, and let's go for any of the stock Indus Towers. Let's go for a Indus Towers. So let's see, there is exactly, it looks like the spinning top where you are seeing here right now. So the body, somewhere around the body is around open 218.6, the spinning top. So the body of the candle is around 218.6 is the open, and the close is 219.5. So if you add this, somewhere around 90 paisa is the value, right? So the body value is 90 paisa, but if you compare to the high, somewhere around from the open price, it is around 6 rupees upside, right? And downside where we are seeing 4 rupees, near about 4 rupees. If we calculate, so this is what looks like a 4 times of the body, both the sides. Could you understand what I'm discussing with you right now? So the body of the candle, the open and close, it is somewhere around 1 rupee, but the higher level wick and the lower level wick is more than 3 times. It looks like a spinning top candle. So once the spinning top candle which forms here, also you can see the spinning top candle. So there are two candles which you can see. One is here, right, and another one is here. This is another most important single candlesticks pattern that gives you reversal or continuation. Reversal and continuation of the trend that will give you in spinning top. Right, when the candlestick which forms a spinning top, there is a probability of reversal also possible, and there is a continuation of the trend also possible. If you take this spinning top, the high and low is 212, sorry, 217 and 208. Once that high is broken, market is now, it moves to 24, right, from the 217 to 24. So if you are taking this candle, and if this candle we are going to focus for tomorrow, right? So this candle, so that does help us to make such a profit in intraday that I am going to discuss here. So I will share this link on my description of the video. You can make use of it, right? And the second one is MP assist. MP this looks like a spinning top candle, and also looks good as a what is that? Doji like the candle, but if you check that the body is little big, 5 rupees gap between the body. So and up and down, if you calculate, it is more. So there is a probability of reversal at this point on the spinning top is possible. So now, so we have created the scan to how to get the spinning top right now. So this is what a daily spinning top candle. Wherever it forms a day high or it in a day low, we are going to take such a great opportunity. Okay, and HDFC, GoForce, Divi's Lab, lot of stocks which forms. Okay, so HDFC, uh, no, what is that? HDFC, let's close it. HDFC Life Insurance, HDFC Life Insurance, which forms a spinning top, right? Can you able to see that the spinning top? Here also you can see the spinning top, another one, where it is forms at a 16th July. and now again the spinning top were forms at August 21. So if you find out the spinning top candle, there will be a reversal, and again you can see that the spinning top candle where it is forms at the highest level, so exactly market reversed from that point. Here also market reversed. Here hope there is a recovery or this thing. So both the scenario we can follow for the stocks, and also my Telegram channel one stock which I mentioned initially, and that was what Tata Chemical. So this if you are watching my Telegram channel, the Tata Chemicals that forms a spinning top. This is not a Tata Chemical. Tata Chemical. Let's go for a Tata Chemical, which forms a spinning top at this point. Got it? So where it forms a spinning top from 860, from there it went up to 891. So how much risk we are taken for the trade? Somewhere around 36 points. So 830 is the low, 866 is the high, 36 point. From 866 it moves towards the 891, near about 30 point it moves. By once break it moves up, and immediately we followed by another doji candle, so maybe the reversal. So whenever you follow the candlesticks pattern, so you just keep following that the next pattern. If it is any forms, so you can book your profit and exit out from the trade. Okay, so as of this spinning top candle where the market is broke above the level and it made another doji, whenever it breaks below the level, so we will try to trial our stop loss around 875. When the 875 trigger, we may be exiting from the trade, and now it has started moving down. And the second stock which I selected on the day where that is a Torrent Pharma, that was happening on somewhere around the same day, that is 10th August. Torrent Power, Torrent Power, same candlesticks where it is forms at this bottom, that is a spinning top. So once the high of the candle is 462, whenever it broken at 473 to 474, it moves from 462 to almost 12 point. What is the risk for the trade? 462 and 445, somewhere around 18 points, it generated 12 points. If this candle here, it will filter out all the stocks where the spinning top which forms. Right now I'm going to do, whenever the spinning top, it must forms on the day high or a day low or a swing high or a swing low. So whenever, if you find out the spinning top candle where it is forms at the near about day high or a day low, so that will give you such a great kind of information where the market is signaling towards up or down. Let's for a spinning top. Top candles, searching it out for that. The top. Okay, so now I'm going to find out those stocks which forms a high, monthly high. So let us latest high equals monthly high of monthly. So if you follow this, so it will tell you, I'm going to take monthly high. Yeah, this code will filter out those stocks which forms the exact at highest level. Then Alchem Laboratories, which forms a spinning top at highest level of the monthly high. Can you able to see that? And it looks like a doji and also comes under the spinning top category. So where it is forms at the monthly highest level, right? So whenever it moves, and again previously here 9th August, same like that candle which forms, or before 6th August we got a candlestick that is what 3,534. From 3,534 it continues the trend towards 3,900, so almost 500 points. So if you are following this kind of candlesticks pattern, so we will get there is a reversal at higher level and lower level. So now there is a stock is suitable for our trade. So let's add this as per the spinning top candle, right? Let's add it. And if you want to latest low equal to monthly low, so if you are want to for any stock which forms a lowest level of the month, so that you can create. So there is no stocks which, okay, so I will delete that because we need the candlesticks. We have to find out different way whether it is below the lowest value and above the lowest value. And few stocks which I find out same like the Tata Motors also forms a here can you able to see this one, the spinning top where it is forms at the day high, and the market is started reversing from that point and it's slightly moving towards the lower value. So that is why the daily spinning top always works better in intraday, and the next day if it is breaks, so you may be taking for the trade. So Alchem, so it is also forming a spinning top, and previously again a spinning top where it forms at a higher level. Once it broken that spinning top high 3750 with a stop loss of 3679, and today it made a 39. Okay, so the spinning top candle also working very well. So this is what the code where I can make available on the description of the video, or I can paste it to my YouTube channel, that is Telegram channel. Just keep subscribe, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, along apart from this one, so we are concluded the single candlesticks pattern, a reversal pattern. So what are the things which you have seen? The doji at top or doji at bottom, hammer, shooting star, hanging man. So hanging man were not discussed. The hanging, it is a reversal of shooting star, that is called hanging man, like that. So these powerful candlesticks pattern, if you find out on an intraday basis, that will give you such a nice result on our intraday time frame. So the spinning top where it is forms at a day high or a day low, even that is a more power. Let's do one thing. I'll make the changes in that one, and we will delete this. So this is what are the number of stocks, and once I equal to, equals to I on monthly. Okay, so if I scan, I will save the scan. A daily top, spinning top, daily spinning top, spinning top at the top. Okay, so run. So we got a Alchem, so we'll focus for tomorrow. And day before yesterday, what are the stock which forms on 18th? Two stocks, HDFC, AMC and TCS. Let's say HDFC, AMC, that is also forms the kind of candlesticks pattern. So but it is not give you such opportunity because today market everything was gapped down. TCS, but TCS it gives you such a lower level, it open and started moving up, so we don't have any entry, and if it is break above that level we can go for, or if it is again coming to the point of 3536 we can go for that. This is exactly the spinning top where it is forms in the top, but market opens lower and started moving up, and it is nearby closing the previous close, and we'll check tomorrow if it is breaks below that level of the spinning top, so we will go for a short or we will go for a long. Again you can see there is a doji like spinning, and again the spinning top, once it is broken that high, so it gives you such a great breakout, right? So that this code we will go for a active risk pattern, previously any stocks which forms on 17th August BPCL. Let's check how it is working on 17th August BPCL. That was broken today 460, and it moves towards to 452, somewhere around 8 rupees. It generate you as a profit if you are following this candlesticks pattern. That was giving you such a great intraday idea, right? So this code I will make for available of on my Telegram channel. So I will save scan as spinning top daily, monthly high, spinning top at top. Okay, submit. So we have saved it now, and again, so another one, so we will go for a low is equal to low of monthly 1 month. Yes, this will scan you those stock which forms a this kind of pattern at bottom of the month, and are the bottom. So HDFC life insurance forms low equal to monthly low. Let's go for HDFC AMC, right? HDFC AMC should form by monthly low. Previously it is 11th August. So let's go for a low equal to low. The latest low equal to monthly low. HDFC life insurance, sorry, HDFC life insurance, that is not HDFC AMC. HDFC life insurance where forms a spinning top, where that recent low should be the monthly low. Okay, so this is also be one of the candle, but if you are checking that 56 to 24, the another candlesticks pattern where forms of HDFC and Divi's Laboratories. Divi's Laboratories where it is forms like another candle where it is in the bottom of the day. Okay, the bottom of the monthly low. This is what a monthly low, exact spinning top. The color doesn't matter for a spinning top candle, whether it is a green color or red color. So it is a unidirectional. Either if it is breaks above high, we can go for a long. Whether it is breaks below the low, we can go for a short. So, but we are taking that as a lowest level. So we will try to focus for a buying opportunity. So that is what the opportunity where it is spinning top at the then ONGC. Another one is ONGC. Another few more candle is only left for a monthly basis. Again, this is gap down and it forms a spinning top at the bottom. So we will try to find out whether if it is breaks above the level, so we can go for a long up. So this is also I'll give us a scan at bottom. Okay, so now we have created a spinning top candle at the top as well as the bottom, right? So this is why we are going to take a trade based on this candlesticks pattern that will give. And I seen there is a two stocks based on that spinning top to be focused. One is McDowell. So I will share you. Here you see that the McDowell which forms a spinning top, right? Where it is forms a spinning top, but initially it broke the low 657 and 666. Once it broken, that was rocking. And Tata Motor, so the spinning top where forms 303 is broken and it fallen down to 281. So this is also another yet powerful candle as a spinning top. So we can do effectively on daily basis of the spinning top candle. So that always works better on our intraday and positional. And this video may be useful to you all. And thanks for watching this video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and support us and hit the bell icon to get regular notification. Thanks for watching and thank you very much. We have another few more candles so that we will cover on tomorrow and we will finish about our single candlesticks. Thanks for watching and thank you very much for your time. Thank you so much.